Figma features, strengths, weaknesses. Figma is a leading collaborative web-based interface design tool, primarily used for UI and UX design. Key features include real-time collaboration, vector editing tools comparable to Adobe Illustrator, prototyping capabilities with advanced interactions and transitions, component libraries with variants and auto layout for responsive design, and a robust plugin ecosystem extending its functionality significantly. Figma is designed for UI/UX designers, web developers, product managers, and marketing teams, anyone involved in the digital product design process. Its primary strength lies in its collaborative capabilities. Multiple designers can work simultaneously on the same file, with changes instantly synced, streamlining workflows and facilitating efficient feedback loops. The web-based nature eliminates platform compatibility issues and simplifies sharing designs. Its prototyping features are powerful, enabling realistic user flows and interactive elements without requiring code. Furthermore, Figma's component library and auto layout features ensure design consistency and speed up the design process considerably. However, Figma isn't without its weaknesses. Its reliance on an internet connection can be a significant drawback in areas with unreliable internet access. While the free plan is generous, advanced features and unlimited projects require a paid subscription, which can be expensive for large teams. The browser-based environment can sometimes feel less responsive compared to native applications like Sketch, particularly with complex designs. Additionally, while the plugin ecosystem is a strength, the quality and reliability of plugins can vary. Compared to Adobe XD, Figma's animation capabilities were historically less developed, though recent updates have narrowed the gap. In conclusion, Figma is a powerful and versatile tool that has revolutionized UI/UX design. Its collaborative features, ease of use, and extensive functionality make it a top choice for design teams of all sizes. While its dependence on internet connectivity and subscription costs are considerations, the benefits generally outweigh the drawbacks, solidifying its position as an industry-leading design platform. For professionals seeking a collaborative, feature-rich design tool, Figma is an excellent choice.